So it's really weird that I'm actually a mindfulness meditation teacher. I just have to tell you that because when I grew up, this was not a job that I was aware of. It wasn't like I was in the second grade and I was like, I'm going to be a mindfulness meditation teacher. I still can't believe that I get away with this as my job, but it is. And so what does that mean? One of the ways that I understand it is that basically every incredibly crazy, strange, weird thing that has ever happened to me while meditating has happened, so that when you tell me what happens to you when you meditate, I'm not surprised. I think that's basically my job description, is that I have spent enough time sitting in my own stuff that I have seen everything possible on the inside, that when you tell me something, I'm like, yep, that happened to me and it's not weird. That I think is actually what my job is, but technically, I have committed myself to this path of practice and I don't really plan on doing anything else with my life except becoming a more safe and trustworthy person to be around. Because meditating is incredibly vulnerable. You're sitting with yourself in a way that no one has ever taught you how to do. It's incredibly radical to do absolutely nothing except listen to your own heart and stay in your body. And I take that really seriously as a teacher, that you're going to actually tell me about what's happening inside there for you, which you may have never seen for yourself until just recently. And then you're going to talk about it and you're going to tell me about it. And that is like the coolest thing. It's such a privilege that I get to hear about what happens in your heart and your mind and your body. So I take that really seriously. And so I will do nothing else with my life except make sure that I'm safe and trustworthy to receive that information and potentially be able to hold that with